What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk. Today we are taking a look at a product from RV Guard that will keep wasps and any flying insects out of your furnace exhaust. Let's check it out. So this right here is the product. Let's go ahead and get it opened up. First, you have a set of instructions. It comes with some silicone rubber edging, so this right here will actually go around the outer rim of the metal screens. So this pack comes with 4 different sizes. You have these little springs that will hold the screen to the furnace exhaust. So this is the first size. We're not going to be able to use this one, but we can use these other 2. These are for the furnace exhaust, and then this one is for the hot water heater exhaust. And then it comes with this tool which you use to attach the springs. Now that we got everything unpacked, let's go ahead and install the screens. The first step is we have to install the silicone edging. So you're going to take it and put it around one of the edges, just like that. Then you're going to go all the way around the edge and put it on. Alright, there we go. So what this is going to do is it's going to keep the screen tightly secured around the vent. Next, you're going to hook up the screws to the vent. You simply hook them in place. Then you're going to use the tool to attach the springs to the vent on the camper. This right here is what the spring looks like. On one side you have a metal bar, and on the other side it's open. So this open side will connect to your screen, and then this side will connect to the exhaust vent that you're connecting the screen to. And you'll use the tool to slide it through the side without the metal bar, and then this tool has a little tiny groove in it, and you're going to take that groove and put it into the metal bar, just like this. And then this will hook onto the screen, and you can just push it until it hooks onto the vent. Now we're going to line up the screen to the exhaust vent. And then we're going to take the tool, stick it through one of the holes in the screen, hook it onto that little metal bar, and then you're just going to maneuver it until it hooks in place. Alright, we got one side done. Move to the other. Alright, and just like that, it's installed. It's not going anywhere. The only thing that's lifting is the exhaust vent door. But overall, it's on there nice and tight. This rubber definitely helps it from shifting. I think it's going to stay on great. Now let's go ahead and install the screens on the furnace exhaust. For the furnace exhaust, you're going to use these small ones. It's pretty much the same process. Go ahead and put the silicone edging around the edge of it. Just like that. For the small one, I think you're only going to need one of the springs in the dead center. Go ahead and do the other one, and then you're going to use one of the springs in the center also. Alright, so now you're going to line it up to the exhaust vent, and then you're going to take the tool and put it through one of the holes in the screen, line it up, and then you're going to push in and just hook it around one of these little metal pieces. Once you get the first one installed, you're just going to repeat the exact same process, lining up the screen to the vent, using the tool to push the spring behind the bar. And just like that, within a couple of seconds, it's on there. And it definitely, you can move it around, but I don't think it's going to come off. Depending on the kind of camper that you have, you might use this smaller vent, but for us, the bigger one was the one that we needed, so this is kind of just an extra. And this right here will actually protect your furnace and your hot water heater, because once wasps and flying insects get into these appliances, they can build their nests, which can cause blockages in the appliance and ruin them. This right here is an inexpensive investment that will really protect your appliances and will save a lot of frustration and money down the road. This right here is a really nice product. It's made from stainless steel mesh, so it's definitely going to hold up great over time. Alright, so that right there is going to do it for this product review. This is a really great product. It's super easy to install, it's inexpensive, and it will definitely save quite a bit of money because it protects your appliances from insects getting in there and like wasps and building their nests. So I definitely recommend this product. If you want to get it, I'll put a link to it in the description below. And if you use the discount code RVTalk on RV Guard's website, you can receive 15% off your purchase. Thanks again to RV Guard for sending this product out to me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you want to see more product reviews like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.